SpaceX, or Space Exploration Technologies Corp., was founded in 2002 by entrepreneur Elon Musk with the aim of revolutionizing space technology and ultimately making life multiplanetary. The centerpiece of its inception lies in creating cost-effective and reliable space travel, primarily by developing reusable rocket technology. SpaceX's founding marks a pivotal moment in space history as it symbolizes the shift from government-dominated space exploration to an era where private companies play a crucial role in advancing space technology. The significance of SpaceX in the context of space history cannot be overstated. It not only pioneered the commercialization of space travel, but also introduced innovative technologies that drastically reduced the cost of reaching space. One noteworthy example is the Falcon 9 rocket, the first orbital-class rocket capable of reflight, which has significantly decreased the cost per launch. Another example is the Dragon spacecraft, which was the first commercial spacecraft to deliver cargo to the International Space Station, ISS, and safely return to Earth. These milestones exemplify how SpaceX has shifted the paradigm in space exploration and inspired both public and private sectors to rethink their approach to space missions. Opinions supporting the founding of SpaceX highlight its role in increasing competition in the space industry, which fosters innovation and efficiency. Advocates argue that SpaceX's achievements have accelerated the timeline for advancements in space technology, benefiting humanity as a whole. However, challenges and controversies are part and parcel of SpaceX's journey. Some critics point to safety concerns due to the rapid pace of development and testing. Moreover, skepticism exists regarding Musk's ambitious timeline for colonizing Mars, questioning the feasibility and ethical implications of such endeavors. SpaceX's inception is intrinsically connected to the broader narrative of space history, as it influences and is influenced by various technological, economic, and policy developments. By proving that a private company could achieve feats once reserved for government entities, SpaceX has set the stage for new collaborations between space agencies and the private sector. This has accelerated efforts towards sustainable space exploration and the development of a cohesive space economy. In essence, SpaceX's founding not only reshaped the landscape of the aerospace industry, but also sparked a renewed global interest in space travel, firmly establishing itself as a cornerstone in the annals of space history. In the narrative of SpaceX's journey, the early years and initial challenges serves as a pivotal chapter, highlighting the foundational struggles and determination that shaped the company's trajectory. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, embarked on its mission to revolutionize space travel and make it more accessible. The early years were marked by significant hurdles, including financial constraints, technological setbacks, and skepticism from the aerospace industry. These challenges were crucial in testing the resilience and ingenuity of the nascent company, setting the stage for its future successes. The significance of SpaceX's early struggles lies in their role as a crucible for innovation. During this period, SpaceX developed its first launch vehicle, the Falcon 1, which symbolized the company's audacious spirit. The first 3 Falcon 1 launches, from 2006 to 2008, ended in failure, putting immense pressure on SpaceX both financially and reputationally. However, the successful 4th launch on September 28, 2008, was a testament to the team's perseverance and marked a turning point for the company, validating its technology and opening doors for future contracts. Real-world examples of these early challenges include SpaceX's development of the Merlin engine, which faced multiple test failures before achieving operational status. Additionally, the company contended with the challenge of securing NASA contracts, which were critical for financial stability. In 2006, SpaceX was awarded a Commercial Orbital Transportation Services (COTS) contract by NASA, crucially supporting the company's continued development. Opinions supporting the value of these challenging years often highlight the innovative culture fostered at SpaceX. The company's ability to learn from failures and maintain a relentless focus on its goals is seen as a key driver of its later success. Elon Musk's leadership is frequently cited as pivotal, with his commitment to reinvesting personal wealth into the company, exemplifying a belief in its mission. However, the road was not without controversy. Critics argued that SpaceX's ambitious timelines and cost projections were unrealistic. Additionally, skepticism from established aerospace players who doubted the viability of a private company succeeding in the highly costly and complex space industry was prevalent. These early years and challenges are intrinsically linked to SpaceX's overall narrative, demonstrating the necessity of perseverance in pursuit of groundbreaking achievements. The lessons learned and the credibility gained from overcoming initial failures propelled SpaceX to secure more substantial projects, innovate further, and ultimately influence the broader landscape of space exploration and commercial spaceflight. Falcon 1 and its first successful launch signify a pivotal chapter in the history of SpaceX, marking the transition from ambition to tangible achievement for the company. Falcon 1 was SpaceX's maiden rocket, representing a new era in private space exploration. It was developed with the vision of reducing space transportation costs and increasing reliability, which are core objectives in SpaceX's overarching mission to revolutionize space travel and establish human life on other planets. The importance of Falcon 1 lies in its demonstration that a privately funded company could develop a cost-effective, efficient, and reliable launch vehicle. This milestone was foundational, setting the stage for subsequent advancements and larger projects, such as the Falcon 9 and the Starship program. When Falcon 1 achieved its first successful launch on September 28, 2008, on its fourth attempt, it not only proved SpaceX's resilience and commitment, but also validated the business model of commercial space exploration. This success was a catalyst for securing NASA contracts, including a significant agreement under the commercial resupply services to the International Space Station. Two specific examples underscore Falcon 1's impact. Firstly, it paved the way for Falcon 9, which has since become the workhorse of SpaceX's fleet, launching satellites for various purposes, including telecommunications and global internet coverage through the Starlink project. Secondly, the success of Falcon 1 helped cement private industry's credibility in space exploration, encouraging investment and competition, ultimately fostering innovations across the sector. The achievement of Falcon 1 was met with positive opinions, highlighting SpaceX's ability to introduce agility and efficiency into the historically government-dominated space industry. Elon Musk, SpaceX's CEO, emphasized this launch as proof of concept for reusable rockets that could significantly lower costs and increase access to space. However, this journey was not without challenges. Falcon 1 faced multiple failures before its success, with the first 3 launches ending prematurely. Critics questioned the feasibility and sustainability of a private company leading such an audacious venture. Some also raised concerns about the environmental impact of increased rocket launches and the implications of privatizing space access. Nonetheless, Falcon 1's success silenced many skeptics and proved the viability of private space endeavors. In the broader narrative of SpaceX's history, Falcon 1's success is a cornerstone that influenced the company's trajectory, enabling more ambitious projects and partnerships. It set a precedent that propelled the industry toward a new space age, characterized by reusable technology and the burgeoning role of private enterprise in exploring and settling space. The development and impact of the Falcon 9 rocket mark a pivotal chapter in the storied history of SpaceX and the broader narrative of space exploration. The Falcon 9 is a 2-stage orbital launch vehicle designed and manufactured by SpaceX for the reliable and safe transport of satellites and the Dragon spacecraft into orbit. Introduced in 2010, It has become a game-changer in the aerospace industry due to its innovative design, cost-effectiveness, and reusability. Significantly, Falcon 9 underscores SpaceX's mission to reduce space travel costs and make space exploration more accessible. Its reusability feature, in particular, has revolutionized the industry. Traditionally, rockets were single-use, leading to high costs with each launch. Falcon 9's ability to land and be reused represents a seismic shift, cutting costs and increasing launch frequency, thus accelerating progress in space endeavors. The impact of Falcon 9 extends beyond economics. It has democratized space access for private companies, governments, and research institutions worldwide. Two notable examples of Falcon 9's impact are its role in deploying the Starlink satellite constellation and its support for NASA's Commercial Crew program. Starlink aims to provide global internet by deploying thousands of small satellites, a feat made possible by Falcon 9's cost-effective and frequent launch capabilities. Moreover, Falcon 9 carried the Crew Dragon spacecraft, which in May 2020 became the first commercial spacecraft to transport astronauts to the International Space Station, ISS, marking a new era of collaboration between NASA and private companies. Supporters of this innovation highlight Falcon 9's contribution to making space exploration sustainable and economically viable. The rocket's success has inspired similar efforts by other companies, pushing technological and competitive boundaries. However, there are challenges and controversies surrounding Falcon 9. Concerns about space debris have increased due to the large number of satellites launched. Critics argue that while Falcon 9 reduces costs, it complicates space traffic management and increases collision risks in orbit. Additionally, some lament the environmental impact of frequent launches. Falcon 9's development and success are integral to understanding SpaceX's broader impact on space history. It connects to SpaceX's larger ambitions, such as the Starship project, which aims to colonize Mars. By demonstrating the viability of reusable rockets and commercial partnerships, Falcon 9 has set benchmarks that influence all facets of SpaceX's operations and its aspirations for interplanetary exploration. In this sense, the Falcon 9 rocket not only embodies a technological milestone, but also acts as a catalyst for future space exploration innovations.